Hello class, we are on week 3 and today we are doing the week of November 18th through the 24th. I have our classroom site up here. Just a little reminder of some assignments, and this week we do have an extra Google Classroom assignment for you guys to do. I'm just going to go ahead and bring up the slideshow for this week, and of course you can find that under your forms and documents if you ever want to review that. So just a little recap from last week. We went over what an action verb is. And it shows the action of the sentence, which is normally the noun. So jump, swim, read, practice, eat. And then we also learned how to find the nouns and pronouns and verbs. So combining what we learned in the last 2 weeks in the sentence, Sally and John are running every day so that they can join the track team. John, Sally, and team, those are going to be our nouns. Running, join, those are your verbs. And they is your pronoun. So this week we're going to go over prepositions. Alright, and you should have already went ahead and read Chapter 4. In Chapter 4 we learned that prepositions are words that we use before nouns or pronouns to show their relationship with other words in a sentence. There are prepositions of location, direction, and time. Alright, so when prepositions are used to indicate locations or position of objects, we have words such as in, on, behind, over, and under. When we're thinking of prepositions of direction, these show movement direction from a fixed point. So think of in front of, behind, between, around, across from. And then we have the prepositions of time. And these are used to show when things happen. So at lunchtime, on Monday, in August. So our prepositions are at, on, and in. Alright, and here's just a little recap of some words of prepositions for direction, location, and then time as well. And here is just a list of some common prepositions. This would be a great list to jot down to help you remember which words of a sentence are prepositions. Could help you on a future test. Alright, and then what we've learned this month, or what we're going to learn next month, excuse me, we're going to learn some adjectives, some adjectives, conjunctions, and interjections. And this is going to help us continue towards our goal of identifying all the words in a sentence. And then we have a little bit more, a few more assignments than normal, class, in this week. So we have our normal classroom Google assignment for this video, and we also have another Google Classroom assignment. And then you have your in-classroom assignments. Make sure you do print those worksheets off if you guys aren't here. And again, you can access the Google Classroom site from this document, or you can go to our Symbaloo site or our classroom site. So you guys have lots of options to view that. Hope you guys had a wonderful month of November, and I will see you guys Monday in class.